Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to clear cache on your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, tap Apps or Apps and Notifications, depending on your device. Find and select the app whose cache you want to clear. Then, tap Storage or Storage and Cache. Now, tap Clear Cache to remove the temporary files stored by the app. Repeat these steps for other apps if you want to free up even more storage space. Keep in mind that clearing the cache won't delete your personal data, account information, or app settings. It only removes temporary files that the app can recreate when needed. That's all. You've successfully cleared the cache on your Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.